got to know about the Sunstone. They have really achievement in tech background and really good rate of placements. Sunstone, you have like flexibility that you can choose some subject. Even though you can go for EMI options or loan options, you don't have to take burden of finances. I chose B.Tech CSE degree because I believe in more practical knowledge than theoretical knowledge. I know that theoretical knowledge is really important, but having a practical knowledge will always help you to go for the placements or the internships. And when I was searching online, so I got to know about the Sunstone. They have really achievement in tech background and really good rate of placements. So that's why I chose Sunstone. Before the Sunstone, I was really unsure about my skills, but after being in Sunstone, I get to know more about myself and my knowledge about the tech background, my more interest in this. So I just starting doing more practical knowledge. So that's really helpful for me. Okay, I have done a project on a website, e-commerce website, where I have won three level of my assignment, and I got a really good opportunity of doing an interview on it, and then I got selected, and I have a prize money about this and a certification also. After joining the B.Tech CSE degree, I was not so much confident about myself and my skills, but joining the B.Tech, it gave me some confidence that I can do so many things and I can bear the challenges also. Faculty are just not lecturers, they are like mentors who guide us. Whenever we need help, they never say no to us, and they always guide us about our future career and anything we want to know about that. Okay, in Sunstone curriculum, most of the good part is that the subjects are really good in this Sunstone department, and you can change as per your preference, like whatever major you want to do. Like in other colleges, they are just implying that you have to study the particular subject, but in Sunstone you have a like flexibility that you can choose some subjects, and it's really helpful. And most subjects are industry level trainings, so that it's going to help for our placement in the end. One of the advice I would say to them to just go for it. Just don't hold yourself for that. Like Sunstone is providing so many scholarships, EMI and loan options. So financial burden will be not the most important thing. You can focus on just all your studies, not just focusing on finances. Like it's helping a lot by EMIs and finances and scholarship. Even though I'm also belong from a small town and I have a scholarship about it, so it's not that much difficult for you to just join this. Okay, Sunstone app is really flexible. Like it is so organized. So many things are there. Like if you want to see your schedule or anything like attendance, even though fees, you don't have to go anywhere to pay the fees. You just have to click and swipe on your Sunstone app, and it's really easy to access. So it's really helpful, keep me organized. Okay, so as I said that I have also scholarship and I belong to some small town. So it is really helpful for me, and even though you can go for EMI options or loan options, so it is really flexible for you. You don't have to take burden of finances. Just go free and study freely.